In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join the Forsaken Discord server. If you're looking to connect with others, share experiences, or just have a good time on one of the popular platforms, Discord, you've come to the right place. Joining a server opens up a world of community interactions, and today we'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have all the guidance you need to get started on your Discord journey. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is head over to the official Discord website. Open up your web browser and type in discord.com to access the main page. This is your first step into the expansive universe of Discord, where millions of communities thrive. Once you're on the Discord homepage, you're likely to see an option that says Open Discord. That's your next move. Click on it. This will either open the app if you have it installed on your device or prompt you to download it, which I strongly recommend if you're a regular user. Alternatively, you can choose to continue using the web version, accessible directly through the site. Now, after you've opened Discord, direct your attention to the bottom left-hand corner. Here, you're going to see a plus sign. This plus sign is labeled Add Server. Clicking on this opens up options for creating or joining a server. It's designed to be user-friendly, guiding you through each step, making sure you feel comfortable as you move forward. Next, you'll see the option to join a server. This is what you want to click on. Joining a server is like accepting an invitation to a digital community space, and today we're targeting the Forsaken Discord server. With the join option now open, you need to enter the server invite in the field provided. Here, you'll type in Forsaken RBLX. Ensure that the spelling is exact. Servers can be case sensitive and require accuracy to locate the specific community you're aiming to join. Finally, you will see a Join Server button. Click on this, and just like that, you've entered the community space of the Forsaken Discord server. Take a moment to browse the channels, participate in conversations, and perhaps introduce yourself. Each server has its unique rules and culture, so it might be worth checking out any guidelines they have pinned. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward way to join the Forsaken server, allowing you to start interacting and contribute to the community. Whether you're new to Discord or a seasoned user, connecting with communities like this one offers numerous opportunities to learn, share, and enjoy. Thanks for watching, and happy connecting.